21 seconds. Rep 14 ang pinili.
Wow!
21 seconds, 14 on the shot clock. Down to 10 seconds, shot clock block. Okay, red. Okay, 15 seconds. Pass. 14 seconds, penalty. Reference foul? 23. Okay, jumper. 14 seconds, wala ng timeout, solid one. Mr. Season, convert timeout ka dito. Okay, sige. Pag wala na shoot, okay, sige. Okay. Pasa. Balik. 10 seconds. Down to 5 seconds. Good. 3 seconds. Okay. Warning for delay the game. Under 2 minutes tayo. Rep. Under 2 minutes tayo. Wala na tayong warning for delay the game sa under 2 minutes. Technical po kagad dyan. Okay, sir. Go. Last 3 seconds na lang. Wala po tayong warning pag under 2 minutes, sir, ha? Automatic technical po yan, sir. One shot technical muna tayo, tapos doon ang impound natin. Okay, 3 seconds.
Jason Tatum.
May pangkalomano kayo, 2 team players. Next game,